Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. This tutorial you will learn switch default SMS app on your Android phone. You can follow this simple method, easily switch them. Let's get started. First of all, install a trusted SMS app your phone. To do it, simply open the Google Play Store. Then use the search bar at the very top. Here type SMS, search it. You can see all of the SMS app listed there. Scroll through the page and choose any trusted app. For example, I am select Google Messages. After you select, you can hit the install button, but I have already installed the app. If you don't install it first. After the installation is complete, go back to your home screen, open the settings page. Once you are in main settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, find the apps option, tap to open it. After that, at the very top, find the choose default apps option, click to open them. Here you can see all of the default apps listed there. Simply scroll through slowly, locate the SMS apps option, tap to open them. You can see all of the default SMS app listed there. Choose the app if you want to set. For example, I am select the Google Messages app. After you select it, hit the back button and automatically switch SMS app your Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, please consider to subscribing my new channel. Also share it with your friend. Goodbye.